everyone, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. Thanks for joining me today. Today's Friday and I'm so happy. Gonna have a nice weekend and I wanted to just pop on here and do a little show and tell because it's Friday. I want to share with you what I've been working on and the pieces that have actually dried and they look so pretty. I want to share it with you. So let's get right into it and show you my first piece. All of these pieces are available on my website at www.tinasinspiredart.com. So let's get into it and show you my first piece is this one here. Now she can be hung in any direction. I think she will be just lovely. It really does look nice in just so many directions. You pick and choose how you want to hang it, but she's really very pretty. Just came out so lovely. The color, she's very bright and very colorful. She will definitely add a lot of color on any wall. That will make your wall smile. So, not sure which way you would want to hold it, but she just looks good in any direction. I really like her. She's super pretty. All right, the next one has similar colors, but yet still different. This one is called Cherry Blossom. Can you guess why? She has so many beautiful colors and it just reminds me of, you know, a cherry tree with beautiful red cherries and that bright greens that you see on a cherry tree. But she's very pretty. Her composition is gorgeous. Her colors, little shimmer in there, little pearl essence, but very stunning. There she is. All these pieces can be hung in any direction, so you pick and choose, but she's a beauty. So that's the next one. This one here has got rose color pinks, a little oranges that mixed in that made a beautiful kind of a what do you call a mango color. So she's very tropical looking. I love this one. I love the composition, how she turned out. Very similar to the others, but they all have their own differences besides the coloring. Just their structure looks a little bit different. But I love the style. I love the colors. She's super pretty. She's gonna shine. Look at how pretty. Try to show you a close-up. So yeah, there you go. There's that one. And if I just hold up a couple of those so you can see that they are different, but yet still similar. And these paintings that I just showed you, these three, are all 16 by 20 inch. So a nice size, but not too big. But if you had them, I had them all grouped as 3 on the wall, and they all went beautiful together. They just really, really complements each other and yet gives each other a unique style. So those 3, they're all available. The other one I wanted to show you is right back here on my easel, and complete different colors, but wow, is this one ever so beautiful. that natural green. It's like a lime green with silver and black. Beautiful sheen to her. Oh, look how pretty. Stand back and let you see the design. Again, you can hang it in any direction. She just looks lovely. You can just pick how you want it. But here's a close-up of it. So pretty. This one here is 16 by 20 as well. So that is that one. Super beautiful, just dried. And I think I shared this one about a week ago, but I thought I'd share it again. This one here came out so lovely. All the copper and the bronze together. Hints of little black in there. This one's so gorgeous. The composition. So lovely. So yeah, that's that one there. And then I've got a couple more drying that I'll share with you at a different time frame, but I've got one more I'll bring out. It's finished drying and it's back behind me over there. I will be right back to go and get that one. It's way back here on its drying rack. I have a table back here that they get put on when they're in their final drying stage. Now this one still has a dot in the middle. I don't want to lean it too far over, but that's this one here. It's got gold and some aqua blues. This one here is also on a 16 by 20 inch, but she's a beauty as well. And of course you can hang her in any direction. I'll probably show her again at a later date when she's completely dried. So that's about all I have for today. Happy Friday, you guys. I'll be back next week to give you more paintings that I'm going to be doing in the upcoming weeks. And yeah, this past week, oh, I almost forgot. This past week, my husband made me some, and I'll kind of guide you over here. My husband made these things for on top of the wine racks that I can now put paintings on top of those. So it gives me a little bit more room when I'm at, say, a show displaying or exhibiting my art. So he made these racks that go on top of my repurposed wine racks. Yeah, it's working out so good. See how I've got these paintings all lined up in these grooves that he's made. And so this one I haven't actually put on yet, put a painting on yet, but they just slide like right in these grooves. And you can have, you know, two different, you can have one facing that way and then one facing this way. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me take you down so you can see it a little bit closer. So see this painting, it just slides right in the groove. And then I can display my paintings right there. How cool is that? So I'll walk around here and I'll show you how I've got these all displayed. So it's all displayed beautiful. There's my team's inspired art, little sign. And then there I have all of my art just displayed everywhere. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, huh guys? Lots going on right now for me. But it's good to be busy. It's good to be showing everyone and sharing the process and sharing what I'm doing on a daily basis. So thanks for joining me again, and we'll be back next week. I hope you have a beautiful weekend. Bye for now.